As the winter chill sets in, it's the perfect time to transform your home into a cozy, sustainable sanctuary. But did you know you can create a warm and inviting space while being kind to the planet? Eco-friendly home decor is not only stylish, but also a smart choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. From energy-efficient lighting to upcycled furniture, there are countless ways to decorate your home in an environmentally conscious way this winter. In this video, we will explore the best eco-friendly home decor ideas for winter 2024 to help you embrace sustainability without sacrificing style. Eco-friendly throw blankets. If you want to keep your home warm, get a throw blanket made from organic cotton, bamboo, or recycled materials. Natural materials that can be used again and again don't contain any of the dangerous chemicals that are found in synthetic fibers. Bamboo grows quickly and needs less water than other crops, and organic cotton uses fewer chemicals. Textiles that have been used for something else are turned into recycled fabrics. This cuts down on the need for new materials and keeps trash out of landfills. By picking these eco-friendly choices, you can make your home warmer and cozier this winter without hurting the environment. Reusing old furniture. Instead of getting all new furniture, you might want to think about reusing old items. When you upcycle, you use some imagination to give old, unwanted furniture a new life. You can refinish wood furniture, recover chairs, or turn old boxes into stylish storage units. This not only cuts down on waste, but it also lets you make unique, personalized things that look great in your home. By reusing old furniture instead of buying new, you lower the demand for mass-produced furniture, which is often made with materials and methods that are bad for the environment. Reusing furniture is a cheap and green way to make your home look new again this winter. Indoor plants inside, are a great way to help the environment and bring life and warmth into your home during the winter. Plants not only clean the air by taking in harmful chemicals and giving off oxygen, but they also make the space feel warm and relaxing. Simple plants that do well indoors, like peace flowers, snake plants, and pothos, can help clean the air in your home. The addition of plants to your winter decorations doesn't need much care and makes the room healthy, so it's an easy and effective way to go green this season. Beeswax candles. Paraffin candles, which are made from petroleum, are not as good for the environment as beeswax candles. Unlike paraffin, which gives off dangerous chemicals when it burns, beeswax burns cleanly, making little soot and toxins. These candles last longer, give off a nice natural smell, and help clean the air. When you buy beeswax candles, make sure they are 100% pure and don't have any added dyes or scents. Using beeswax candles as part of your winter decor not only makes the room feel cozier, but it also fits with living in a more eco-friendly way during this time of year. Recycled paper decorations. This winter, you might want to make your own ornaments out of old newspapers. Reusing old magazines, newspapers, or scrap paper to make snowflakes, garlands, or even holiday gifts is an easy and environmentally friendly way to decorate. Making your own one-of-a-kind items for the house will add a creative touch to your winter decor. This cuts down on waste and makes you more likely to try new do-it-yourself projects. Because recycled paper decorations break down naturally, you can safely throw them away when the holiday season is over. This will help you leave less of an impact on the earth. Eco-friendly rugs. Adding comfort to your home. This winter, in an eco-friendly way, is to choose rugs made from natural fibers like cotton, jute, or wool. Jute grows quickly and doesn't need much in the way of water or chemicals, which makes it a very environmentally friendly choice. Wool is a material that can be used over and over again, breaks down naturally, and keeps your home warm in the winter. Another eco-friendly choice is cotton, especially when it is grown naturally. These natural rugs last longer, are easier to clean, and feel more comfortable than synthetic ones. They are also better for the earth. Secondhand finds shopping used is a great way to find unique winter decorations and help the environment at the same time. Instead of buying mass-produced new things, you might want to check out thrift shops, flea markets, or online marketplaces for used things. Things that are old often have a charm and beauty that new things might not have. By getting used, you help lower the need for new production, which in turn lowers the damage that manufacturing does to the environment. Also, a lot of used things can be fixed up or used for something else to match the style of your home. It's a cheap and eco-friendly way to update your winter home decor while also supporting green living. Energy-efficient lighting. One of the best ways to make your home greener this winter is to switch to lights that use less energy. LED bulbs use a lot less energy than regular incandescent bulbs and last a lot longer, so you don't have to change them as often. They give off warm, bright light that is great for making a cozy mood in the winter. Additionally, LED lights produce less heat, which can help keep your home warmer without the need for extra heating. You will save money on your energy bills and leave less of a carbon footprint by making this simple change. It's an eco-friendly choice. Wool or linen bedding. Choose organic wool or linen for your bedding if you want to make your bedroom cozy and good for the environment. While man-made materials can keep you warm on cold nights, wool keeps you warm naturally because it is biodegradable and comes from plants. Linen, which comes from the flax plant, is strong, airy, and naturally antibacterial and mold-resistant. Both materials are great for winter because they keep you warm and are good for the world. If you choose organic forms, you can be sure that no harmful chemicals or pesticides are used. This means that your bedding is both comfortable and good for the environment. Natural wood accents. Using natural wood in your home decor will make it warmer and last longer in the winter. Wood is recyclable and can be used over and over again. It gives any room a classic rustic look. Choose furniture, shelves, or picture frames made from wood that is grown in a way that doesn't harm the earth. For a truly unique and eco-friendly touch, if you're feeling crafty, think about using old wood. Wood can also keep your home warmer in the winter because it naturally insulates. By adding wood details, you can bring nature inside while also supporting eco-friendly practices and using less man-made materials. Eco-friendly wall paints. Choose eco-friendly and safe paints to give your walls a new look this winter. Chemicals that are bad for you can get into the air when you use traditional paints. This makes the air quality inside your home worse. These dangerous chemicals are not found in eco-friendly paints, which are made with little or no volatile organic compounds, VOCs. They come in many colors and styles, so you can update your room while also making the air better. Also, these paints break down naturally and don't harm the earth much. If you want to make your house healthier and your holiday decorations last longer, choose paints that are good for the environment. Conclusion: you don't have to give up comfort or style to make your home more eco-friendly this winter. You can make your place a cozy green sanctuary by using eco-friendly materials like organic textiles, upcycled furniture, and lighting that uses less energy. Adding things like indoor plants, beeswax candles, and natural wood accents not only makes your home look better and feel cozier, but it also helps keep it healthy. Whether you choose items made from recycled materials or buy bedding that is better for the environment, every little bit helps make your home more eco-friendly and stylish this winter. Take these ideas for green home decor and use them to help the environment and your house. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.